Xiamen Sharp Dragon International Trading Company Limited is a professional international trading company in the food and export business in China. We have been engaged in the food industry for over 17 years. The mission is to provide consumers with the widest choice of green and organic foods with the most competitive prices and outstanding services by using state-of-the-art technology. Moreover, our team has sufficient experience and can offer you incredible service at all times. We've received and enjoy positive and constant feedback from our customers. Any of your ideas and opinions will be appreciated and cherished, for that is the best gift for the long-run business. Our main business ranges from frozen vegetables like frozen edamame, broccoli, and spinach, and frozen fruit like strawberry, peach, and mango, and frozen mushrooms like champignon mushrooms and fungus, to frozen seafood like squid ring and unagi fillet. Besides that, we have classic dim sums like a frozen spring roll and sesame ball and bean products like tofu mix and fried bean curd for you all the time. Our company is located at Xiamen, Fujian Province. Here, you will have easy access to the transportation nearby, and it is extremely delighted to meet you in person no matter where you are from. It is always nice to make new friends. We look forward to your visit.